To create a new user, follow these steps. First, click on Settings from the navigation bar. Then click on Users. Then click New in the upper right-hand corner. This brings up a creation form. There are a few fields that are mandatory when creating a new user. These are marked by the little asterisk or star after the field name. To start, you'll need the full name. Then you'll need the username. This must be unique and cannot be changed once you create it. It has to be unique across all instances in the deployment. And this is defined during implementation to ensure the usernames have consistent formatting. One common convention is to use the user's email address. Next, we have the password dropdown. This is where the system administrator can set the password to share securely with the user, or the user can receive a welcome email to set their password themselves. This also applies to the Forgot My Password link when you log in. If your Primero implementation has implemented single sign-on, both the username and password will be already set by your internal identity management provider. The next mandatory field is roles. This sets the permission and access for the user. This could be system admin, the administrator of the system, case supervisor, case manager, or social worker for child protection. For GBV, we have GBV caseworkers, case management supervisors, managers, and organizational focal points. Select the appropriate role for this user that was defined during implementation. Then we have user groups. These define a group of users which can be set by intervention type, more commonly for child protection, or by a supervisory group. Typically with user groups, a manager or supervisor can see the non-identifying information of all the members. Then we have services. This isn't mandatory, but this can define which specific service types the user can receive referrals for and are used to reinforce in-country referral pathways. For more details on referrals, watch the referrals video. If no service is selected, then the user will be given the same services that are assigned to the agency the user belongs to. Then email. Emails are important as this is the email address that notifications are sent to. Notifications would be sent for referrals, transfers, assignments, transfer requests, and approval requests. Then we have agency. Agency and locations are specified according to each user so that the specific user can receive referrals based on their service provider, based on what service they provide, their agency, and their location. The agency lists are provided by the country office. The locations are typically taken from the Humanitarian Data Exchange, and we'll walk through how locations are uploaded in Primero in the general configuration video series. Once you've entered all the information you need to, just remember to click Save in the upper right-hand corner. If you need to edit an existing user, go back to Users, click on the user you need to edit, then click Edit in the upper right-hand corner. Once you make any changes you need, remember to hit Save at the end.